this is going to be a review of the Voolan high pressure rain shower head. I would rate this a 2 out of 5 stars. The spray pattern on it is very narrow. That's with it being the only head. There are no restrictors in the whole system. The water flow restrictors have been taken out. That is just a straight down thing. Now, that's what's focusing on. This is a spark con. 1, 2. That is why that one's going to get rated a 2 out of 5 stars. The nozzles I believe need to be tighter so that it builds more pressure, and the pattern it needs to open up, because no one wants to stand in that little direct spot there.